Dear students, we were reading The American Scholar by Emerson, and now the remaining part of The American Scholar, and we have read that The American Scholar was a speech given by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and now the duties of a scholar, according to Emerson, man thinking. If the American scholar has achieved the right state, then they become man thinking. The right state. If they have not achieved that state refers to the right state, then they become a mere thinker. So we have already discussed about the mere thinking and the implementation. The third number concept, the concept of action. Because according to Emerson, mere thinking, or we can say action is must if you want to contribute in a society. So a scholar should create action, and the action should be for the whole society, so that he can make some kind of development to his society. What they do is for the good of all, because of the deep connection between all individuals in society. So Emerson mentions that in American society there is a deep connection between all the people, and the right state should be created by a scholar for the good of all. Self-trust. Self-trust is also a characteristic of a scholar. Guide people. A scholar should guide people. Here people of America. And a scholar leads the people from darkness to light. Here darkness means ignorance and light means knowledge. Emerson mentions that Americans will soon walk on our own feet. On our own feet. Because our means Emerson was also an American citizen. We will walk with our own hands because of the ideas that unites Americans. So Emerson mentions that Americans will soon walk on our own feet. How they will walk on their own feet? Because they will be a scholar, and after getting knowledge they try to shape a very good society. Next. Yes. The scholar inspired by the divine soul which inspires all men. So here refers to divine soul. So divine soul is connected with nature, and nature connected with human beings. So the scholar inspired by the divine soul which inspires all men. a scholar is being influenced by nature, and when he is being influenced, he will be connected with the divine soul, and through that divine soul he inspires all men, he inspires all American citizens. Emerson believes that Americans give too much importance on industrialization, not on intellectual development. What we see? Emerson wants to say that Americans do not give so much emphasis on intellectual development. They do not care about intellectual development. They care about the importance on industrialization. But according to Emerson, intellectual development is more important than industrialization. Emerson wants to convey that individual men and women are all united in America, each contributing something that benefits the whole society. Each person who lives in America contributes something that benefits the whole society. That benefits the whole society. The scholar achieves something from literature, not just earning respect, but is actually benefiting the entire country, so that all citizens are united. A person who does not understand the true value of their functions in society, they are never able to live their life with full potential. A person who does not understand the true value of their functions in society. So, a person must understand the true value of their functions in society. They never able to live their life with full potential if they don't understand the true value in a society. Thanks, and subscribe the YouTube channel